Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today is Pre-Watch Face Tuesday and I got a nice lineup for you. Stay tuned, it's coming right up. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and today we got a nice lineup for you. Today is Pre-Watch Face Tuesday and hopefully you like the lineup. Now, the name of this watch face that we're going to start off with is called S3 Sports Digi Chrono. Very nice look, very different look too. Again, all the watch faces are going to be free. In always on mode, you're going to get a digital look, which isn't bad, but when the watch face is on, you greet it with the temperature, right? It's an analog watch face, but the temperature at the top, not only does it give you the temperature in Celsius, it gives you what type of weather you're having for the day. So in my area, it's telling me that it's hazy. You also get your battery percentage, step info to the left. You get your date, and I like the way it's written out, April 2018, Monday, week 16, and then you get a digital time down at the bottom. This is not a bad look at all, and if I tap, I can customize the color of the watch face. I thought that was pretty slick, and you can kind of dress up with this. When I dress up, I mean dress up the color of whatever you have on for that day, but this is a good look, a nice casual watch face for a nice casual day. Number two. Now, number two is nice. This is for my digital lovers, right? The name of the watch face is called Iris 22. It's a 12-hour watch face. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. And when the watch face is on, I'm liking the look of this watch face. I'm liking the design. I like the way the bottom kind of lights up. Now, at the top, you're going to get the day of the week. You're also going to get your month and your date. You come down, you get a legible digital time. You look to the right, you get your battery info. You look to the left, you're going to get your heart rate info. And if you come down, you're going to get info on your steps and your miles walked or ran. I didn't wear my watch today, so therefore it doesn't have any info on it. But if you look what's going around the bezel of the watch, I like that second hand. It definitely adds a nice touch to the watch face. And I really like the way that's lighting up. So you can change this a little bit to a couple of different backgrounds, just single tap. And now it kind of lights up the whole watch. And yes, it is interactive as well. And so I'm going to tap on the 8 again. And these are the few colors that you can change it to, which is not bad. I'm liking this. This is definitely a good look. And to be interactive, to be free, this is not a bad look. You got to check this out in the Gear Manager store. I'm going to tell you, it is worth the download. Now, number 3 is called Iris 7, and it is also free. This one is nice. It's an analog watch face. Even in the always on mode, you're going to get that analog look. Your color is going to be yellow for the numbers. Not a bad look. And when the watch face is on, I like the silver background. I like the info that it gives as well. Has a sweeping second hand too. That adds a little bit of character to the watch face. And you're going to get your step status info like your heart rate. You're going to get your steps down at the bottom. You're going to get the day and the date. You also get digital time as well and your battery info. I'm liking the look of this watch face. And if you look around the bezel of the watch, the color is blue. You can customize that by double tapping. And you can change the color that goes around the bezel of the watch. I thought this was truly a good look. I thought you would like this one, and it is interactive. So if I tap on the date, I can get my calendar. If I tap on my heart rate, I can get my heart rate info. This is nice. To be free, this offers a lot. All right, you all, that's going to be it for Free Watch Face Tuesday. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're going to download. And if you like the video, please make sure you take the time to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.